Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mahi Madhu. How are you all? I think all are good. Today our topic is logistics. What is the introduction of logistics means? It is the management of the flow of goods between the point of origin and the point of consumption in order to meet requirements of customers or corporations. The resources managed in logistics can include physical items such as food, materials, animals, equipment, and liquids, as well as abstract items such as time, information, particles, and energy. The logistics of physical items usually involves the irrigation of information flow, material handling, production, packaging, inventory, transportation, warehousing, and often security. What is the history of logistics means? The birth of logistics can be tracked back to ancient war times of Greek and Roman empires, when military officers titled as logisticos were assigned the duties of providing services related to supply and distribution of resources. This was done to enable the soldiers to move from their base position to a new forward position efficiently, which could be a crucial factor in determining the outcome of wars. This also involved inflicting damage to the supply locations of the enemy and safeguarding one's own supply locations. During the Second World War 1939 to 1945, logistics evolved greatly. The army logistics of United States and counterparts proved to be more than the German army could handle. The supply locations of German armed forces were inflicted with serious damages, and Germany was not able to work the same havoc on its enemy. The United States military ensured that the services and supplies were provided at the right time at the right place. It also tried to provide these services when and wherever required in the most optimal and economical manner. The best available options to do the task were developed. This also gave birth to several military logistics techniques, which are still in use, albeit in a more advanced form. Logistics has now evolved itself as an art and science. However, it cannot be termed as an exact science. Logistics does not follow a defined set of tables, nor is it based on skills inherited from birth. A logistics manager performs his duties and responsibilities based on his educational experiences, skills, past experiences, and intuitional. These skills are nourished by a constant application of the same by him for the betterment of his organization. The logistics manager ensures that the company is benefited by an effective and efficient system of logistical management. He also needs to ensure that the right kind of products and services are provided at the right time and for a right price, whether inside the organization's premises or delivery of shipments outside the premises of the organization. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, that means you can subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye.